Welcome to MyAmes Week 6. In Week 6, you will learn about types of houses. Learn about parts of houses. Learn about Samir's home. Listen, read, type words about Samir's home. Write about your home. Types of houses. Learn words. Click and listen.
Single-story house.
Turn. Repeat. Single-story house. Next. Click. Listen to it. Then turn and repeat. Go all the way through to the end. Type the words. Single-story house. Type it in here. Single gap story gap house. Then check. Keep going through to the end. When you finish, click the star. 3. Parts of the house. Learn the words about parts of the house. There are arrows and marks to show you the part of the house. Listen.
Roof.
Turn and repeat. Roof. Next word. See here, the yellow.
Garage.
Turn. Garage. Keep going through. So type the word in here. I think that was garage. Garage. Type garage. Check. Go through. At the end, we have the listening again.
Garage.
We have to listen, find the word over here, and again, type the word. Garage. And check. When you finish, click the star. Number 4. Samir, my home. Learn words. Samir, my home. Slide 1.
Samir.
Turn over. Samir. Practice. Move on to the next one, all the way through. My drag and drop. Yeah. Here's Samir. Samir. Drag and drop. Check. Move through, all the way through. Click the star. Listen to the story about Samir.
Samir. My home.
Click here to turn the page. Click to listen.
My name is Samir.
Go all the way through the book until the end. When you finish, make sure you answer the question at the bottom of the page when you scroll down underneath. Have you read the story? Yes or no? Make sure you answer that question and check. Samir, my home. Listen here when you've finished. Where do I drag and drop? You listen to it.
My name is Samir.
So we drag my name is Samir. Whoop. Then check. Move to the next slide. And we do the same thing all the way through to the end. Don't forget to check the star at the end. Slide 2 of this. Samir's home. We're going to find the word. My name is Samir. Name. Click on there. Samir. Click here. Then check. I live in Dandenong. Live, Dandenong. Live, Dandenong. Go all the way through. Right through. And click the star. Number 9, another read and do. Samir, my home. Again, listen. It's good to listen to the story and follow along. Now you have to type. My something is Samir. My name. So we type name in here is Samir. And check. All the way through again. And click the star. Write about your home. Click here, answer the question. Write about your house. Write about your home. Here we are. This is you. Write your name. Here, you type your name. Where do you live? I live in Richmond. So I type Richmond in there. I live in Richmond. Full stop. Write about your house. I live in a flat, or I live in a single house, double house, townhouse, apartment. How many bedrooms? It has 2, 3, 4 bedrooms. Click here. When you finish, you can save and you can submit your answers or your question and questionnaire and your answers, and then I, the teacher, can have a look at it. Thanks. Have a great week.